Hey, Jonathan here. Let's go ahead and create a bridge as we are learning 3D printing basics for architectural design in Archicad. Let's do it. So using the file provided, go to the exercise 2.1 and please remember not to 3D print this without watching my course. These are really simple solids and the idea behind them is for you to learn very complex and important 3D printing techniques. So this is, and the first one of them being, you should be able to generate your own STL. So you either went to YouTube to do that by yourself or you're here. Let's start with the Morph command. Go into the toolbar, Morph, then we click once, and then we enter the value 10 for the width, tab 95 for the length, enter, and then to the height, we're going to go 3 millimeters high. Now, we're going to generate again a box. To create the legs, we're going to start the Morph command again, and then, or we just keep drawing. We select the first corner, and before we go to the next, we enter 10, the value, and 5, enter, and then we go 7 millimeters high. Now, we select the same box, and then to do the second leg, we select the same box. Now, make sure that the leg is sitting all the way to the ground. There. Now to create the second leg, we're going to generate a copy from it. Alt Command D for copy. And then we're going to move 55 millimeters. And then to make the leg a little bit bigger, we wait for the pet palette. We select push pull, and then we push this another 5 millimeters. Enter. There's 1,000 ways to do this, so feel free to just do it in a different way. Next up, we need to flip it. So now 2.2, we're going to select the whole thing and then Command E to flip. We just go to any surface that allows you to move in this direction. We click once, twice to select, and then 180 degrees. Now that we're finished, we can then hit F4 to isolate. Notice how we only have that volume left. And then File, Save As, pick where you want to leave it, call it the bridge, select Format Stereolithography, save 1.1, the rest you can forget, click Save. When finished, it should look like this. And you should be ready to start 3D printing course. Not to 3D print this. See you in the next one.